This is a case of diabetic retinopathy in which there is a spanning traction of neovascular tissue membranes over the retinal surface and are extremely adherent. Here we use the suction delamination method in which we take the cutter's port very close to the retinal surface and then use suction to gently find the edge and then use the cutter while delaminating it. So you can see that when you do this continuously, you will keep finding the edge which will keep lifting off with the suction, and then you keep cutting that tissue so as to segregate it. And the cutters with the port very close to the shaft, they make it much easier to approach this kind of a situation. And some parts of the membrane were thinly delineated while some have a very thick edge. But once you get the edge, then gradually you see the whole membrane span, and then you can gently move the cutter over that surface, and you can see that the whole membrane keeps separating quite efficiently from over the retinal surface. Now we are approaching the thicker edges, in which you have to be a little more careful because here the adhesion of the membrane with the retina might be a bit more stronger. But keep that area under good visibility, and gradually you can see that we can remove that whole membrane in toto without touching the retinal surface. A small stump is remaining at this stage. Most of the membrane has come out. We are trimming the membrane and leaving a small stump over the disc area, because if we cut that, then bleeding may start. And now we are approaching that small segmented area which was left earlier, the thick whitish tissue that you see. And you have to be careful with this kind of tissue because here the adhesion might be stronger with the retina. But keeping it under good visibility, you can remove it quite efficiently.